Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be talking about fruits and vegetables in Somali. Fruits are miraha and vegetables are qudarta. An apple is tufah. While a banana is moose or moss. Grapes are anab. While guava is zaytun. Orange is limaan. While strawberry is strawberry. Watermelon is qare or habhab. While a pineapple is ananas. Lemon is lindanan. While avocado is avocado. Pear is amberut. While mango is ambe or ambo. Tomato is yaño or ñaño. While potato is barado. Corn or maize is galley. While onion is basal. Cabbage is cabbage. While lettuce is ansalato. Carrot is karoto or tawase. While cucumber is qajar. Pumpkin is ba'or. While bell pepper is barbaroni. Garlic is toon. While mushroom is bokosha or barkin warabe. Have any more fruits you want to know? Leave a comment below. And as usual, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.